Top 6 problem, Jio to Bsnl SIM porting. Number 1. Eligibility. Ensure that your Jio SIM has been active for at least 90 days, and that you haven't used the porting service recently. Number 2. Porting time. Porting can take a few days, during which your service may be disrupted. Plan accordingly to avoid inconvenience. Number 3. Network compatibility. Verify that your device supports Bsnl's network bands, especially if you have a phone locked to a specific carrier or network. Number 4. Coverage. Check that Bsnl has good coverage in your area. Coverage can vary widely between providers. Number 5. Documents and process. You'll need to submit proper identification and a photograph to Bsnl for the porting process. Ensure all documents are valid and up to date. Number 6. Pending bills. Make sure all bills with Jio are settled, as unpaid dues might complicate the porting process. Thank you for watching.